Tick-tock, tick-tock, the end is steadily approaching, and there may be no safe haven left. What we feared has finally come to pass, leaving behind a result that seems to unravel our existence before our very eyes. The brilliant purple star, a red giant known as Betelgeuse, has finally exploded. The long-anticipated endless impact has spread, ravaging the power of our environment and signaling the arrival of an overwhelming new dawn for humanity. But what evidence did scientists uncover to reach this conclusion? How could the purple glow of Betelgeuse shine so brightly in the night sky? And if it exploded, could this event lead to the destruction of our planet, perhaps even with us still here? In this exploration, we examine the puzzling details of the destructive phenomenon that occurred when Betelgeuse exploded. For a long time, the star has held its radiant significance in the night sky, enchanting viewers on Earth. Perhaps the purple giant star has an enchanting allure that feels almost magical, with its baffling appearance lighting up pathways across the sky. Betelgeuse is indeed a member of the exclusive group of stars that shine so brightly, visible even within the constellation Orion. This red supergiant is the 10th most luminous star visible in the evening sky, casting a bronzed-orange hue that captivates those who gaze upon it. One of the most fascinating facts about Betelgeuse is that it is one of the 3 stars forming the coldness triangle asterism, marking the center of the winter hexagon visible starting in January. At nightfall, Betelgeuse can be seen rising in the east, becoming more visible as the months pass, and remains in view through mid-March. It is visible in almost every inhabited area on Earth, except Antarctica. On any given evening when daylight fades and the night sky takes over, Betelgeuse stands out as one of the stars that adorns the heavens. However, this seemingly mesmerizing star is wrapped in a veil of mystery, prompting scientists to investigate the anomaly of its fluctuating brilliance. Researchers are puzzled by why this star appears so unique in its brightness, a trait that has persisted over time. Initially, scientists thought Betelgeuse might be a much older star, considering its striking features compared to our Sun, which is approximately 4.6 billion years old. However, they were surprised to discover that Betelgeuse is actually much younger, with an estimated age between 8 to 10 million years. This revelation reshaped scientists' understanding of the star's peculiarities. Its massive size is an essential part of its allure. If Betelgeuse were to replace our Sun, its size would stretch all the way to the asteroid belt, and its mass would be about 10 times that of the Sun. As astounding as these facts are, they are just a few of the reasons Betelgeuse is so extraordinary. When researchers delved deeper into the star's properties, they were astonished to learn that it is a supermassive star that burns through its nuclear fuel at an astonishing rate, leading it to quickly burn out and explode in a dramatic supernova. This type of star grows in size before eventually ending in a catastrophic event, often much sooner than expected. From what we've gathered, it seems that such dramatic stellar events have been happening long before humanity even existed. To understand how scientists arrived at the conclusion that Betelgeuse has exploded, we must begin with the historical journey that led to this discovery. This journey dates back to the 2nd century BC, when Chinese astronomers made a groundbreaking observation while studying the night sky, a discovery that would eventually lead to the unraveling of the mysteries of Betelgeuse's explosive demise. The name Betelgeuse has long been associated with a yellowish tone, which evolved over time. Avoiding a few scenes leads us to a fascinating moment in history, specifically to the 2nd century when Greek and Roman astronomers, like Timmy, were captivated by the vivid displays of bug squash and described it as having an orange or rosy hue, a term that remains significant to this day. Ancient observers in the Middle East also noticed a similar phenomenon. The key question for us is how colors were named or perceived in the past, and we must acknowledge that there is genuine truth to the idea that Betelgeuse underwent a transformation over the centuries. Chinese astronomers may have observed this yellow hue for a long time. As the years passed, the appearance of the uber star became red, a trend that became more prominent. Another important aspect of Betelgeuse is that it seems to have periodic fluctuations, acting almost cyclically. In December 2011, scientists were shocked to discover that the star's brightness had drastically decreased. Researchers couldn't comprehend the reasons behind this sudden dimming, which sent them scrambling to find answers. The significance of this event became apparent to those who closely followed the star, and its decline raised serious concerns. This phenomenon prompted some to consider the possibility that something extraordinary was occurring with the star. However, by mid-2020, the star had returned to its normal brightness, reflecting its former glory. Notably, this recovery was gradual, and astronomers observed that the star's brightness slowly returned to its expected levels over several months. To explain this strange occurrence, some researchers proposed a theory suggesting that part of the star's natural cycles could have triggered a significant drop in brightness. When astronomers decided to use the Hubble Space Telescope to further investigate, they made a startling discovery. Betelgeuse had released an immense amount of energy. This high-energy release could indicate the star was nearing the end of its life, possibly reaching the stage where it would undergo a massive explosion, a red giant phase. Such an event, if it were to occur, would be one for the history books. A significant stellar explosion is considered one of the most dramatic events in the universe. It marks the final stages of a large star's life, often ending with a supernova or the formation of a neutron star or black hole. If Betelgeuse were to explode today, the effects would be catastrophic, sending out vast amounts of energy. This radiation, which includes gamma rays, X-rays, and other forms of high-energy radiation, could reach Earth, potentially causing serious harm. If this radiation were to penetrate our atmosphere, it could have devastating consequences, including damage to DNA, cells, and even causing cancer. Fortunately, scientists assure us that there is no immediate cause for concern, as Earth's atmosphere is more than capable of shielding us from this radiation. Despite these reassurances, the potential for such an event has kept astronomers on edge. The idea of Betelgeuse undergoing a massive explosion in the near future remains a topic of great interest and concern. Interestingly, evidence suggests that this explosion may have already occurred in the past, unbeknownst to us. A study conducted by Hideyuki Cio and colleagues at Tohoku University in Japan has revealed that Betelgeuse may have already experienced a vast, cataclysmic explosion, one that we may not have recognized at the time. This finding has shocked the scientific community and raised questions about the future consequences of this cosmic event. If the impact from this explosion is indeed on its way, we could feel its effects within the next decade or so. It's a sobering reminder that massive cosmic events are constantly unfolding, and we must remain vigilant in understanding them. The most recent major cosmic explosion, Kepler's supernova, occurred in the 1600s, quite a long time ago, but now we face the terrifying reality that another such event may be imminent.